What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Peachtree Press Incorporated outdoor furniture sectional wicker sofa set I picked up using Amazon Prime for $499.99. Out of 5 stars, it gets 3.5 out of 34 customer reviews. It comes in 2 different colors, turquoise and orange. Today we're going to be unboxing the turquoise patio furniture set, and I figured we would just see what it's like to assemble, make sure that all the parts are there, and give you guys a good idea of the difficulty level of putting this sectional together. So we'll go ahead and start with this square box here in the front and just make sure that everything is in there. We'll go ahead and push this one off to the side momentarily. And so as you can see here, everything sort of comes prefabricated, pre-assembled. It looks like all we have to do is just piece things together here. So this looks like one of the seats with the cushion. Looks like we get a second cushion with, I'm not quite sure what this is, but we'll have to read the instructions in a little bit. But everything looks pretty good so far. Quality control, not an issue. This wicker looks like it hasn't been tampered with. The cushions are still wrapped, as you can see. So everything looks to be of pretty decent quality so far. A fourth one of these pieces with a cushion. A fifth piece. And a sixth piece. What was different actually about the last 2 pieces here were that it looks like we get some extra pillows here, or they're not extra, they are the amount that they come with, but looks like we get some pillows here, which is really nice. And yeah, as you can see, no threads or pulls or tears or anything like that. This has not been tampered with or returned. So now that we've pretty much unboxed everything in that box, let's go ahead and move this off to the side. I'm assuming this is the love seat or the table with the glass top. And I think I was right. So here in this bubble wrap, you can see that we get the glass top. And so far, everything is really nicely organized. Everything looks like it's really simple to put together. This looks like maybe a top for the table. So I would imagine something goes under here and then the glass top lays on top. So there's actually 2 of these in the box. Actually, those might be some kind of shelf. We get some other parts labeled very nicely for us here. So this part is labeled E assembly kit here. So with all of the tools and nuts and bolts, I presume. So just some screws, which is really nice. Some more screws labeled appropriately, which is convenient. Some brackets. No label here, but actually this looks like they could be the feet of the table and the chairs. And we do get in this package here a small wrench, an Allen wrench, and some more nuts and washers. So yeah, guys, if I can basically name off everything that came in that tool set, I am not a handy person at all. I probably can assemble this on my own, but that being said, so far so good. Everything looks pretty easy to put together. Last but not least, these pieces look really confusing to me. I'm not quite sure what they are. We're gonna have to read the instructions. This looks like some kind of tabletop here. And last but not least, we get a couple of more pieces here. What's interesting is this brand is by Peachtree Press Incorporated, but the name of the company who manufactured this furniture is actually named Kinsonny. And yeah, guys, so that was basically it. That's basically everything that came in the box. We got the glass tabletop. We got all the cushions for the sofa. So yeah, guys, overall, that was just an unboxing and a first impressions. Everything looks pretty easy to put together. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this and maybe make a little video for you guys. That being said, thank you so much for tuning in. The Peachtree Press Incorporated 4-piece sectional wicker sofa set I picked up using Amazon Prime is a convenience good. Out of 5 stars, it gets 3.5 out of 31 customer reviews. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.